Hello traders, it's Tomek here from NIKKEI Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly indices forecast. So we still have momentum and continuation of previous moves. So indices are pointing up, they are moving nicely. We have new historical higher highs, so definitely the good idea right now is to buy. But before we go to details, I would like to invite you to visit my new website, which is dedicated to my one-on-one mentorship program. Link to this website you will find below this video in the description. Just go there, you will find all information about what I offer. This is also how I started my change in the trading journey. I started with mentoring with Nikos, so that's why I also want to give you same opportunity which I had in the past, because it was really game changer for me. This is for new and for advanced traders. It's fully customized, and we will focus on the three major parts here: on the technical part, planning part, and mindset. Of course, if you have your own system and you are not interested to see how I trade, how I approach the market, then of course we'll skip technical part. We'll focus on the planning part, mindset part, and of course of your system improvement if necessary. Okay, so just go. You have link below this video in the description. If you have any questions, just let me know. Just leave the message. I will contact you, and we can even have a small chat to see where you are and what are your expectations in trading. Okay, so now let's go to our charts. First pair is DAX. And of course, it's pointing up. Yes, we have this period of stop. Now it's again on the weekly, it's pointing up. If you go to monthly, you see that it's ongoing trend still. Yeah, so it's pushing up very strongly. So of course, if this is the case, we don't have any resistance. Yeah, so we have this weekly trend line, which is of course our next area of the support, but for now price doesn't really want to retrace. This is our support 36, of course, this area, but no, now you see it's going up, so there is no point. There was a period of stop, as you can see, price didn't go much, but now it's still pushing. There is continuation. Trend line which we currently have is here, so it's like, I would follow still 36 EMA as a active support level. So of course, if you get daily retracement, then of course we can look for buy scenarios again if you want to see bigger retracement. If not, we go to lower time frames. We had previously, you see, after period of range, yes, we had very nice, good looking 1 to 3 to look for entries. Now price went up, stopped. So what we would like to see, a retracement back to the 36 CMA. We look to buy this. This is also our trend line, and this is what we can do. And if we go to lower time frames, like 1 hour chart, currently we are in the range, so we don't have anything. Even here we have combination 4 hour chart with 1 hour chart possible entry. Yes, so we had this option to go long. Here combinations, of course, with lower time frames. Also now 1 hour chart, it's not giving nothing special. So I wouldn't buy here. No, scalpers and aggressive traders can just wait for retracement back to the 36 area of the small support. Yes, and then you want to buy this and target this resistance. So this is what you can do in terms, of course, of the scalping, day trading, and aggressive option. Okay, if you want to just grab some points. So this is what I see. Of course, whenever price breaks this, yes, if continue after retracements, we still want to buy. And when we would like to sell, because we also might get those retracement. No, first, for me at least, the first sign of the weakness in the such strong trend will be to get on the 1 hour chart price below the 36 EMA, and then also EMA crossover with the 12 EMA. And then I would say that this is the first early sign that price might to create retracement, where of course back to the 4 hour chart 36 EMA. So this is if we have, of course, enough space, because if we won't get space, yes, like for example, price will lose momentum, 36 will be closed, then we will just wait for continuation of the 4-hour chart without looking for sales, but of course we will check it anyway. NASDAQ also going up. You see monthly chart broke the previous top, very powerful trend. Weekly time frame also going up. Previous support, previous resistance become as a support level, yes, but right now it's going up. If we look for weekly chart trend line, this is the line. So of course, where is the area of interest? 36 with the trend line, I would say, not even with the support from the weekly perspective. I would again expect that price, whenever it decide to retrace to this zone, and then we can have still continuation. So if we go to daily time frame, price, you see bounce on the 36 EMA, went up again, currently is making for us double top on the daily chart. We also have this support here on the daily, which is visible here. We know it that it's from the weekly chart. Daily trend line, it's here, but it's not exactly the line. Price broke it. Retest 36 went up. So can we draw something different? Only this line here, but we can also base on the 36 EMA, yes, because it's very close to this. So if you want, you can leave it. If not, 36 will be our trend following EMA. So retest of the previous top, of course we don't have resistance, so our price make another reaction, will go down to retest 36 EMA, or maybe will start to retrace, or there will be just hesitation, will break and continue. It still looks very powerful. However, this move, you see price just went up, retested this, and now is reacting. So if you look for the 4-hour chart levels, we have, of course, this area of support here, which is also like a daily level, as you can see here. So what we can do now, of course, if you price on the 4-hour chart retrace to the 36 EMA, will give us possible bounce here. You can look for buy scenarios, target this, but here, of course, also all we said here about the day trading, yes, and scalping. So retracement, long scenarios, target resistance. This is option number one. Option number two, let's go to lower time frames. And option number two is to look for possible aggressive trades against this whole move. However, you have to use low risk, okay? Whenever price, make something like this here, 1 to 3, yes, break the 36 EMA, you can look for short opportunities, but then you have to treat this as a potential bounce. However, you still have to pay attention on the 36, because like I said, we can have this and continuation. So if you decide to sell this, you have to pay attention. If price starts to struggle here, yes, you will not see continuation, then of course it's better to monitor, move stop loss to break even, and then just wait, because if price start to bounce, then you won't take longs. But if price starts to break, then you have your next possible target. There is also another 4-hour chart support zone here for day traders, okay? So day traders, scalpers, this is where price might do react if you are not sure, yes, because it's also sometimes you are not sure, should I sell, should I buy? It's always the best option is to wait, okay, just to wait to see something clear. Don't be in rush in trading. Patience is the key. So if something is not good, wait for retracement, see what price will do. Really, it's better to do that than taking unnecessary risk. US 30 monthly, also you see after this period, new historical higher highs going up very strong. Of course, retracement to the 36, but no, now we cannot expect, at least for now, any retracements. If we look for the support zone on the weekly chart, those previous tops are our resistance, support, but no, right now it's too far away, to be honest. So I would just focus on this area of the support and this area of the support. If, of course, price decide to retrace, this is a little bit more chaotic move, because it's still pointing up, but you see it's in the range. It's not so nice and perfect move, but it's still, you see, it's climbing up 4-hour chart. Right now, we had this breakout of this previous top here. A lot of spikes here on the US 30 in between. So now what we do, retracement, we look for buys. This is our trend line, or even we can draw it from the bottom. This would be our 4-hour chart trend line, yes? So, but retracement back to the 36, we look for buy scenarios, and of course, target is previous stop, and then you look for buys. Of course, breakouts and continuation. We don't have any next resistance zone, so we have to based on the previous top. 1-hour chart looks interesting because if we get retracement to the 36, whenever price starts to reject this is opportunity for day trading and scalping. Target previous top. Again, in this example, the first sign of the retracement, of possible retracements, will be breakout of the 36 EMA and then short scenarios to target 4-hour chart 36. Keep in mind that price can also bounce on the 12. So that's why when I say EMA crossover, it give you confirmation that it will be also 12 EMA breakout, because very often we have situation that price is going down. We are below the 36 EMA. We start to look to sell this, but price is not making continuation, but it's just only spiking and then it's going up. Okay, so keep in mind about that. Now buys, but weakness below EMA crossover and then sells. Nikkei also going like a crazy train right now. Monthly chart, you see, it's unbelievable what is happening here. To be honest, very, very strong move. No, of course, no, we know where is our goal after retracements, but right now, no, there is nothing to say about possible retracement. Yeah, it's pointing up. So right now, only what you want to do, retracements, buys. Okay, so for our chart, we go retracement back to the 36. We look for buys. 1-hour chart. Intraday trading, scalping, retracement back to the 36. You look for buys, yes. If we want to trade in the retracement, same scenario, wait for price to break, EMA crossover, short scenarios, target 4-hour chart, 36 EMA. You see, like here, price started to break, but there was no EMA crossover, still went up. And then slowly after crossover started to go down, but we were already around the 36. So that's why keep in mind about those details in terms of the retracements. Okay, retracements are always more tricky than trades with the main trend. And the last one is AUS200, which is around the resistance. It's struggling here right now. Of course, we discuss about that and about this possible range, even like that, yes. But of course, no. Right now we are here. So, where is our next area of the support? Here, whenever price start to retrace, support 36 EMA. Daily time frame. No, now you see it's struggling here. We have this trend line. Of course, what we want to do right now is to wait for breakout. So you don't want to trade here, to be honest, because right now it's not. However, let's go to 1-hour chart. Definitely, whenever you get breakout, it will be much easier to trade because we can have direction. Right now, you can trade. If you want to trade this, the best way is to sell here, buy here. This is the best thing. But now price is pointing up. So if you go to 1-hour chart, after retracement, you can still think about buys, but price is not making higher highs right now. It's still making higher lows. However, we don't know what will end here. But for the day trading and scalping, if you want to grab some trades, now, yes, we have this. If price starts to break, you buy target resistance. In case if price starts to break the 36 EMA, you try to sell. This is 1-hour chart support zone where you have to be aware of that. And then, of course, your goal will be this zone. This is also 1-hour chart support, but this is our 4-hour chart trend line. So this is good target anyway. Yeah. So this is what we can do if you want to trade in the wedge. Of course, that's why we do top-down approach so we can easily understand where exactly we want to take those trades. Okay, where are the safest zone, or like we call it profit zone, or when it's a little bit more aggressive. Okay, guys, that's all from my side about the indices. So as you can see, definitely it's good to trade them right now because they are volatile. So just patiently wait for the retracements and buy. Again, I would like to invite you to visit my new website dedicated to my one-on-one mentorship program. This is for new and for advanced traders. It's fully customized to your needs. However, I also have my program because I would like to focus on the three major aspects in trading, which is technical part, planning part, and mindset. Of course, if you have all your own strategy, you don't want to learn how I trade, of course, we will not do it. Yes, we will focus on other parts, definitely on the mindset, because this is the most important part in trading. So if you still don't know in which direction you have to go, or you struggle, or I don't know, you have your strategy but you don't know how to optimize this, this is exactly a program for you. Below you can also find videos where I explain in details what we will do together. Of course, like I said, it's fully customized, so don't worry, just fill up this form here if you want to contact me, and of course we will have small Skype chat at the beginning, or whatever other software you want. It's not that when you sign up we have to start, but if you have any questions, I'm here to help and answer them. So just let me know so we can discuss a little bit. So thanks again, guys. Wish you all wonderful Sunday, and see you soon. Bye.